Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dzurotun Nafi'ah, and now I want to explain and present my paper. The title is Gold Exploitation in Bupolo Land. That's written by me. So I divide to 6 problem statements that include from 5W and 1H. Namely, number 1 is what the causes of illegal mining in Buru. 2. Where the location of illegal mining in Buru. 3. When did illegal mining occur in Buru? 4. Who engaged in illegal gold mining in Buru? And why do people engage illegal gold mining in Buru? And the last is how to produce gold through the illegal mining process. Okay, so let's start to our material and discussion. So start from the causes of illegal mining in Buru. The discovery of gold in Botax Mountain began with the arrival of transmigrant from East Java, Mr. Tarno, who discovered clay, the primary material for producing stoves, and the news of the discovery spread quickly. The Buru people flocked to Botax Mountain armed with traditional tools, specifically iron pans, which were used to separate gold from soil. Not only that, the news of the gold discovery was heard throughout Indonesia, and people from all over the country gathered on Botak Mountain in search of gold. And then, where does illegal mining occur in Buru? There are two locations of illegal mining in Buru, namely one site specifically in Botak Mountains and Gugurea village. Okay, I found the picture of Botak Mountain. This is a Botak Mountain location of illegal mining in Buru, but I couldn't find the picture of Gugurea Mountain. And the next point is, when did illegal gold mining occur in Buru Regency region? Illegal mining began in 2011, attracting people from various regions, and peaked in 2012. The closure of illegal mining activities occurred 24 times, and the location was finally closed in 2015. However, in November of the same year, Botak Mountain resumed activity, only to be closed again in October 2018. Just a few months later, miners resumed extracting gold from Botek Mountains, and this continues to this day. And then, who engaged in illegal gold mining in Buru Regency? Local communities were the first to engage in illegal mining, followed the people from various regions, including Tasikmalaya, Buton, Goa, Makassar, Manado, Gorontalo, Ambon, Lampung, Banyuwangi, and many others. And the next point is how to produce gold through the illegal mining process. Over time, humans have become increasingly greedy, and the use of traditional tools has given way to more destructive methods. Miners use a tool called a trommel, a cylindrical iron device that separates gold from soil and other minerals using mercury and cyanide. This chemical binds to the gold, allowing it to be extracted. However, this process is used on a small scale, such as by individuals. If it's a small scale, then there are large scales that are carried out by groups. For large-scale operation, the group will dig a hole several meters deep, and then the soil will be processed using trommels and then soaked in mercury to bind the gold to the soil. After that, the mercury that has bound to the gold is pressed or squeezed to separate the liquid from the metal. However, even through even though it has taken the shape of a metal to make it gold, it is necessary to burn it so that the mercury evaporates and pure gold is created. This is a series of processes that are carried out by illegal miners in processing gold. The role of local government in addressing illegal gold mining. The presence of gold is apparently more important than the pollution caused. The combination of a stubborn society and a neglectful government is a suitable combination for environmental destruction in Bupolo. What's even more disheartening is that the gold doesn't add to the state's financial benefit, but is only enjoyed by a few groups. For nearly 15 years, there has been no seriousness from the local government in addressing this issue. In 2015, there was a raid and closure, but it only lasted a few months before the stubborn society resumed illegal mining in November in the same year. Then, on October 2018, activity on Botak Mountain resumed. However, unlike Botak Mountain, the closure of Gugrea Mountain in 2015 was permanent. This was not because the society had started to obey the government's action, but because the gold content in Gugrea had begun to decline and was depleted. Therefore, the society naturally preferred Botak Mountain, which still had promising gold deposits. The illegal gold miners on Botak Mountain are indeed stubborn, but honestly, they are not a society that has the strength to continuously defy the local government's orders. Moreover, managing to obtain gold requires significant capital. The fact that I found was that the owners of the excavations on Botak Mountain had connection with powerful individuals, and it was also evident that each owner of the excavation worked with security apparatus such as police and military personnel. Some time ago, it was discovered that a member of the Bureau Regency had an excavation site and gold production facility on Botak Mountain. And the last point is, why do people engage in illegal gold mining in Bureau Regency? The government's inability to address poverty and provide decent employment opportunities with fair wage is the reason why people engage in illegal mining. The mining activity on Botak Mountain is a high-risk job. Often, this job can be fatal, such as the frequent landslides that bury the illegal miners. This job is an uncertainty, meaning that there is no guarantee of the safety, and there is no guarantee of the result obtained. Illegal miners don't always get the desired result, but due to the difficulty in finding employment, people are willing to risk their lives for a gram of gold. So, as a local society, I'll give suggestion for the local government. The government should give more attention to the illegal gold mining in Buru Regency, as its impact on the environment is quite hazardous. Not only the Regency government but also the provincial government should take firm action on this issue. In addition to taking strict action against the perpetrators, the government should recognize that the lack of employment opportunities is the main reason for this issue. The gold in Bureau agency can be a source of state revenue, but it should be managed with careful consideration of its environmental impact. So maybe that's about my paper. Thank you for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.